Samsung is going to launch health monitoring app for Galaxy Watch Active 2. Let's know more of it. The health monitoring app will first launch on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Galaxy Watch Active 2 using its heart rate sensor to track the user's blood pressure once it calibrated with a traditional cuff. Now, how to use this app? To use it, a user must first calibrate the sensor with a traditional blood pressure measuring cuff. After this, every time the user wishes to measure their blood pressure, the watch will use pulse wave analysis. From the data it receives from its heart rate monitoring sensor, analyze the data with the calibration value and calculate the blood pressure level. Samsung recommends calibrating the sensor once in every 4 weeks to ensure accuracy. Samsung Health Monitor app can then track these measurements over time and provide analysis of this data to the user to help them make healthier choices. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 will receive the health monitoring app by the end of Q3 of 2020. Teojong J. Yang, Corporate SVP and Head of Health Team, said Samsung Health Monitor app has the potential to help millions of people around the world who are affected by high blood pressure. This is one of many examples of how Samsung is integrating its best-in-class hardware with the latest software innovation to innovate mobile experiences.